Hey guys, welcome back to the Techy, and today we will be showing you the tutorial for the dripping effect. So like our previous video, we will be using the PicsArt app to achieve this look. First, select the image of your preference and cut out the image using the cutout option on the app. Save the cutout. Now go to Drawing and select a new canvas. In the image icon, you will find the sticker option. Select it and your sticker will be right under cutouts. Also, adjust it as per your preference. After adjusting, create a new empty layer with the Layers option, right beside the image icon down below. Here, add in the downloaded drip image to the layer. Adjust the second image to fit in with the first image. Then, in the Layers option, select Lighten to adjust the color fill of your second image. Again, adjust it as per your liking. Now that you're done, save your project. Your image is now ready. If you want to make your image look more pleasing to the eye, simply add in some effects as per your liking. So that's it for the dripping effect tutorial on PicsArt. Thank you for stopping by at the Techy. Do subscribe and like the video, and speak your mind in the comment section below on what you want to see next. Thank you for watching. See you all next time.